happens in Vegas stays in Vegas.
Hi guys, I'm Nikhil Chawla from the Unbiased blog, and as I promised you all that I have a very special unboxing from Las Vegas. And the phone I was talking about, the teaser that I gave you, if you remember, was the Tecno Camon I, the magical device. Now what's so magical about this device? We'll figure it out shortly. But I'm in Vegas, the city of magic, the city of light, the city of shows and city of whatnot. Everything you can imagine, this is the Sin City. What I want to do is something that I've never tried ever. So I'm in the middle of Las Vegas trip and I'm going to do something that I've never done before. We are in almost like dark lit right now. It's just the lights of Vegas. I'm going to do the unboxing of Camon I with the Camon I. So this is the Camon I Tecno phone that I'm talking about. Now it's known for its magical lighting performance. It can perform in any light. The camera is magical. We've seen some photo samples in the teaser. So what I'm going to do is, this is the unboxed phone that I've been using for a while in Vegas. I'm going to put a box here, a sealed box. I'm going to do the unboxing and record it from this phone and see how magical it is. Because if it can perform without any studio lights, without any lights, in this dark, and it can capture the unboxing, then this is the phone to go for. Let's do it. So this is the Tecno Camon I made for India's smartphone, which comes with Tecno promise of 100 days replacement, one-time screen replacement, 1 month extended warranty, apart from the regular 12 months warranty. So let's first unbox the phone and see what comes in the box. Let me remove the plastic film and then cut the seal with the makeshift tool to unbox the Tecno Camon I. While we unbox, I want to ask you, why do we take out a phone to click a picture? It is because you feel that there's a magical moment waiting to happen or is happening, a magical moment that needs to be captured and preserved in all its glory. Name Camon I and the huge camera lens image signifies the importance of the magical camera on this smartphone. First thing you'll notice is the Tecno Camon I looks absolutely stunning for a budget device. The all-metal unibody design and Corning Gorilla Glass makes it a solid and ergonomic device to hold. Talking about the box contents, you get the Camon I handset, battery, USB cable, power adapter, earphones, SIM pin, protective cover and the usual documentation. In terms of the specs, the device has a 13 megapixel selfie camera with screen and LED flash, a 13 megapixel camera with quad LED flash which magically turns night into day, as you can see in the unboxing video here. The device is powered by a big 3050 mAh battery, 1.3 GHz quad-core processor with 3 GB RAM and 32 GB ROM, which can be further expanded up to 128 GB via microSD card. The best part is that you get a dedicated microSD card slot apart from the dual SIM 4G LT SIM slots. So in total you get 3 slots in the SIM tray, 2 for the SIMs and 1 for the microSD card. As connectivity options, users get GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and USB OTG. On the front you get the 5.65 inches full vision display which is sharp and vivid. On the left hand side is the SIM tray. The right hand side gets all the buttons, volume and power keys. On the bottom is the micro USB slot with speaker and mic on the other sides. On the top is the 3.5mm audio jack to connect an earphone for music, movies, calling or listening to FM. While we are doing this, I would like to point out that this is the first time I'm shooting an unboxing of a smartphone from the same smartphone. As most people don't carry gimbals or tripods, we shot it all handheld so that you can get an idea of how well the camera performs under circumstances like low light, walking handheld and no editing. The device runs on proprietary iOS version 3.2.0 on Android 7.0. iOS helps in better memory management, maximum processing power and massive battery life. In terms of security feature, users get a super fast and accurate fingerprint sensor on the device. iOS adds power saving mode, a unique WhatsApp mode which lets only WhatsApp use data by restricting every other app from using data. Apps like Hi Theme, Phone Master, Feedback and Service come pre-installed. I hope you guys enjoyed our special unboxing of the Tecno Camon I smartphones. Now this was really a magical unboxing for us too, because this is the first time we attempted something like this. So if you liked our unboxing of the Tecno Camon I, the magic phone, you can leave a comment below and maybe you could be the winner of this smartphone. Thanks for watching the Unbiased blog. Have a great day ahead.